Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Maki Zenin in Dress to Impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the outfit and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to wear the coat item. I'm going to wear this boot. Okay, and we can color it white for all the selection. And I'm going to wear this shirt as well, make it smooth, and I'm going to wear this leg warmer, color it black. Okay, now let's move to the skirt area, and then I'm going to wear I'm going to wear this skirt, this one, and then color it black for all the selection. And I'm going to color it black, and I'm going to choose this one as well, color it black, and wear this pant, color it black. And let's move to this area and choose this shirt, and then I'm going to wear this jacket. Okay, and then I'm going to wear stocking, this one, color it black. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Maki Zenin in Dress to Impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.